everybody here.
I'm just confused. Are you the Jets or you the Niners?
So everybody here was all witness to this fuckboy. This fuckboy. Hold up. Hold up.
What is it?
Hold up. Hold up.
Okay.
Hold up.
So many times. I'm a Niners fan.
So that's your team.
Yes, I grew up with the Niners.
So why did the Jets even pop up in conversation?
Yeah, you did miss the Jets. I'm like,
when?
You just
only
all last year you talked about the Jets. You even played with them on Madden.
Okay, that's only team. I'll pick 49ers.
Get your senses
You
together.
the biggest stuttering motherfucker, you Forrest Gump ass. Sit the fuck down and listen. Where's my apology? Where the fuck is my apology? I'm listening. For you being wrong, you lied. You fucking lied. You lied. You said that your team. You ain't gonna admit shit. You got no facts was brought up. Facts, nigga. I brought up facts. You wanted it, you got it. You said your team was number one. You said your team was number one. I'm gonna stand right here next to you. You said your team was number one. And then we brought up the iPad.
Okay, let me answer this question.
We brought up the iPad.
Okay.
Where's my baby?
Hold on.
Right there. We brought that up right there.
Okay.
You said your team was number one. What did it say? What was the team rank?
Okay.
it's even number 3.
What was the team rank?
Okay, listen.
What was the team rank?
Number 1, right? No, what? No, what?
What was the team rank? What was the team rank? I think it was like number 3. I'm not sure, but I think it was like number 3. You lied. You lied. You ain't gotta say shit but my apology. You sat there and said that you apologized for lying. You lied. You said you ain't got your dates right. You're worse than my wife coming up here with this pickamony shit. You're telling me that you said it you talked about this yesterday. Just yesterday you talked about it.
But he's a Jets fan too, so you can buy both of the defenses together.
That might make number one. No, hell no, because the Jets will bring them down.
You're right. Negative 32.
You just said yesterday you talked about this shit.
He doesn't like. I think he used to watch the Jets, but he used to like them. But then, since the 49ers did better, then he was
the way his bank account is set up, right?
Wow, really?
Dad, that's me. That's me, man.
Fuck Rickson and his fucking 49ers.